Kit in 2026 full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all products mentioned are added in the description. Kit is an AI-powered marketing assistant designed specifically for Shopify store owners, helping them automate and optimize their advertising and product promotion strategies. It is built for e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to scale their business efficiently without spending excessive time manually managing campaigns. One of Kit's core features is its ability to run automated Facebook and Instagram ads, suggesting high-converting ad creatives based on your store's product catalog, sales data, and audience behavior. It also provides automated email marketing campaigns, offering personalized recommendations, cart abandonment recovery sequences, and promotional messaging that aligns with your brand voice. Kit leverages AI to recommend trending products to feature, identify underperforming items, and suggest pricing or inventory adjustments, helping merchants make data-driven decisions. Another strength is its integration with Shopify and major marketing platforms, allowing seamless automation without needing multiple tools or complex setups. Kit also includes performance tracking dashboards, giving insights into ad spend ROI, email open rates, conversion rates, and overall campaign effectiveness, which is essential for scaling campaigns smartly. On the downside, while Kit is highly effective for automated marketing, it relies heavily on AI suggestions, so businesses that prefer full manual control or highly customized creative strategies may find it limiting. Additionally, the AI-driven recommendations are only as good as the data it has, so very new stores with minimal sales history may see slower optimization results. Overall, Kit in 2026 is a robust solution for Shopify merchants aiming to save time while maximizing marketing performance. Its combination of automated social media ads, email campaigns, product recommendations, and actionable insights makes it ideal for businesses seeking smart automation to increase sales, improve ROI, and maintain consistent customer engagement, all without the need for a full marketing team.